The Umiam Dam was built way back in 1965, and since then there has been a lot of concern over the safety of the structure, forcing the government to go for rehabilitation work which started in December. The process of replacing the bearings of the bridge started last Sunday on 31st March 2024. Speaking about the exercise, Chairman cum Managing Director of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, Sanjay Goyal, said that with the blockade period which started on Sunday, now the work is going for opening of the expansion joints, after which the process of putting jacks and raising the structure will be carried out.
Certain works which includes the opening of the expansion joints, for which basically the blockade was taken. Now we will be now taking the process of putting the jacks and raising the structure for replacement of the bearings. It's a technical process and requires careful studies of the structure as well as the timings of taking up this activity, and we are on the track, and hopefully we should be doing it within the time frame which we have fixed for ourselves.
The Sankhasi Maulai has organized a dance festival